Google just shipped Anti-gravity 2.0, and most people covering this already missed the real story. This isn't just a model update. Anti-gravity 2.0 is Google's new parallel agent platform. The model underneath it is Gemini 3.5 Flash, 4 times faster than the previous Flash version, 40% cheaper than Pro, and finally capable enough for serious client-level output. Here's what I'm holding back until the end. There is a CLI command sequence inside Anti-gravity. It pipes Gemini 3.5 Flash directly into Claude Code for free. Most people will never configure this on their own. I'm walking you through it at the close of this video. Once you see it, the whole stack clicks. You're going to want to stay for that. I'm Paul James. I cover free and low-cost AI tools for solo operators building real service businesses, not just watching demos. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is where most people in this space get steered wrong from the jump. They get told they need go high level, $297 a month, before they've made a single dollar. CRM, workflows, automation, the whole platform. Pay before you have a client. Pay before you've sent one invoice. That's the subscription tax. And it stops most people before they ever get moving. And honestly, the platforms that get pushed hardest in most agency courses also tend to carry the biggest commissions for the people recommending them. Just worth knowing before you open your wallet. I know what that pressure feels like from the inside. I ran my first business out of my brother's garage. No clients yet, no budget. A $300 monthly bill before the first payment arrived would have ended everything before it started. Anti-gravity 2.0 is the kind of leverage I needed back then. Now it's free. Here is the framework I'm using for this build. I'm calling it the fork and run method. One AI agent working through a task list sequentially is slow. Anti-gravity 2.0 changes that. You fork the work across 3 to 5 sub-agents running in parallel. They go wide simultaneously. You collect the output in one place when they finish. That's the core mechanic. And it's what separates this from everything else in this category right now. Anti-gravity has split into 2 separate apps. Anti-gravity 2.0 is a pure Google environment. Gemini only, no other models allowed in. Purpose-built for parallel agent orchestration at scale. Anti-gravity IDE is the familiar coding environment most people already know. The 2.0 version is where the fork and run method actually lives. Setup is fast. Sign in with Google, pick your preferences, and you land in a clean 2-panel interface. Main chat on the left, auxiliary pane on the right. That right panel is where everything shows up. Sub-agents firing in real time, files changing, artifacts produced. Click into any individual agent and see exactly what it's running. It's more transparent than most agentic tools I've used. Here is what the fork and run method looks like for someone offering SEO content strategy to local businesses. 1 session. 5 parallel sub-agents inside Anti-gravity 2.0, each one sweeping a different competitor's content footprint. Keyword gaps mapped, citation patterns compared across the local map pack. Thin content categories surface simultaneously across the full competitive landscape. That used to take a full day of manual research across open tab. With Anti-gravity 2.0, it takes under an hour. The tool costs nothing to run. That's a $400 deliverable built on zero-cost infrastructure. Let's keep building. Now here is where this gets actually useful for someone running a real service business. SEO content strategy is the first angle worth building around. A local business needs content that ranks, blog posts, location pages, service pages written for local search intent. You fork your agents across the target keyword set and the competitor content landscape. You collect a complete strategy brief in 1 session. Think about a chiropractor wanting to rank in 3 nearby zip codes. 1 afternoon of work, 1 structured PDF delivered. A client now asking about a monthly content retainer. High Level has a social planner. It does not run parallel competitive content research. Your version costs nothing. Custom knowledge bases are the second natural fit. A small business owner needs an internal AI assistant the whole team can actually use. Policies, onboarding scripts, product details, service procedures. You use Anti-gravity 2.0 to pull source documents in parallel, structure the output, and hand off a ready-to-deploy knowledge base. Setup fee plus a monthly maintenance retainer. Someone who has never sold a service before can run this workflow their first week. That's how low the barrier actually is with this stack. Social media content creation is the third angle, and this one surprises most people. You fork Anti-gravity 2.0 across a brand's existing content, competitor feeds, and trending topics in their local niche. Back comes a full content calendar with caption drafts, image briefs, and a posting schedule. That's a $250 monthly retainer for a local business, built in under an hour. Most people charging for this service are still doing it manually. That's the solo operator's edge right there. Actually, Let me back up for a second. When I say free stack, I want to be specific. Anti-gravity 2.0, the Anti-gravity CLI, and Gemini 3.5 Flash together replace a category of workflow that most platforms charge monthly to manage. That's the free stack. That's the whole point. Now, most people take that workflow and immediately try to pitch it. That's exactly where it falls apart. There's one configuration step you have to handle first, or the system breaks on the first real job and it looks amateur. The Anti-gravity CLI needs to be connected to your existing workflow before you go near any client work. Give me 60 seconds on this, because skipping it costs you on the engagement that actually matters. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is what that configuration actually looks like, and why you set it up before the first client call, not after. The Anti-gravity CLI installs with a single terminal command. Once it's live, you activate it using the tool's shorthand inside your terminal. The key move is bridging it to Claude Code in your IDE. Anti-gravity 2.0 is Gemini only inside the platform. That's fine for the parallel research and generation layer, but when a deliverable needs Claude's output quality layered on top, you want to route between the two cleanly, without breaking the session. Configure that bridge before you go near a client, then you're ready. Picture a freelancer, solo, no team, no existing clients, who lands a local dental office as a first engagement. The client wants to rank in the local map pack and needs a knowledge base for front desk staff. The freelancer opens Anti-gravity 2.0 and forks 5 agents across the local competitor landscape. A complete SEO content strategy brief is drafted by end of day. They deliver it as a structured PDF. $350. The next morning, they come back with the knowledge base. Every script, every FAQ, every onboarding document, pulled in parallel from the client's source material. The client asks what a monthly content retainer looks like. That's the conversation that builds the whole business. 2 days, free stack. All right, here is what I said I was saving for you at the very start. The CLI command sequence that connects Anti-gravity to Claude Code. Once the Anti-gravity CLI is installed, you activate it using the tool's shorthand in your terminal. Inside Claude Code, you delegate research-heavy tasks directly to Anti-gravity. Fast generation work, parallel sweeps, all handled through the CLI. Claude manages the reasoning layer. Gemini 3.5. Flash handles the speed work on the other side. You're not switching tools manually. You're not paying a platform to manage the handoff. One prompt inside Claude Code, and Anti-gravity routes what needs to be routed. The core capability runs for free. That's the multi-model stack, and it's available right now. Picture what your next 30 days look like once this is running. No more manual research sessions eating your billable time. No subscription sitting between you and your first invoice. Every deliverable you hand a client, built on infrastructure that costs you nothing to run. That's the structural advantage of starting this way. That's what the fork and run method gives you. Not just speed, but a business model that's viable from day one on a free stack. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.